Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to convert your Evernote notes to PDF format. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Evernote app on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and the app fully loads, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the interface. You'll see several options listed there, and you want to click on Notes. This will display all your stored notes in the main viewing area, making it easy to locate the specific one you're looking to convert. Now, in the left panel, browse through your notes and click on the specific note you want to convert to PDF. This action will open the note in the main workspace, allowing you to view its full content before proceeding with the export. It's important to select the correct note here, since this is the content that will be saved as your PDF file. With your note now open and displayed, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice an icon with 3 dotted lines, which represents the options menu for that note. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several actions you can take. From this menu, select Export as PDF. This opens up the Export Settings panel where you can customize how your PDF will be formatted and saved. In the right panel that appears, navigate to the Pages section. Here, you have the flexibility to choose whether you want to export all pages of your note or just a custom selection. If your note is lengthy and you only need specific sections, the Custom option allows you to specify exactly which pages to include. This gives you control over the final PDF content without having to export everything. Below the Pages section, you'll find the Orientation option. Click on it and select whether you want your PDF to be in portrait or landscape mode. Portrait is typically better for text-heavy documents, while landscape works well for notes with wide tables or images. Choose the orientation that best suits the layout and content of your note. Once you've configured your pages and orientation settings, click the Export button located in the bottom right corner of the panel. This initiates the export process and opens your File Explorer. In the left panel of the File Explorer window, select where you want to save your PDF file. You might choose your Documents folder, desktop, or any specific project folder you're working with. After selecting your desired save location, click Save. The app will process your note and create the PDF file in just a few seconds. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Evernote note into a PDF that you can share, archive, or print as needed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.